Well, good morning from Base Outdoors. As you can probably hear from outside, and the rocking vehicle here at the WildTrax event that we're doing for 4 days. The weather has gone absolutely severe, and the weather warnings are out for gusty winds, torrential rain, and yeah, it looks like it potentially could be putting us off Ben Nevis today. However, the weather looks like it's going to change tomorrow. So just to keep you all up to date, we're fine. We've had a good night's sleep, although the vehicle's been rocking from side to side. But yeah, we managed to stay out of it, which is good. There's a couple of other guys that probably suffered a little bit more than us. But yeah, we've been warm, toasty, and we've managed to keep ourselves safe and well. So here's to WildTrax, and here's to another day today. Hopefully we'll get some stuff done, and we'll see you and give you a bit of an update later on and how we're getting on, and we'll show you some videos of the weather. Okay, have a good one. See you later. As you can see, it's not the greatest. It's pretty bad out there, it's pretty rough. Base camp has been completely trashed. And yeah, the weather has taken a turn for the worst.
Giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a, but every time we say goodbye,
Okay, so welcome to Base Outdoor for day 2. We didn't manage to get ourselves up Ben Nevis today. Unfortunately, we had a really bad weather warning, and we ended up trying to find somewhere that was a lot better. We managed to find somewhere down the west coast of Scotland. We travelled 2.5 hours to get to a place called Campbeltown. When we got here, we managed to find a beach spot, and we've got this fantastic area here that you can see out on the sea, in which we have now camped for the night, and you'll be able to see in the morning when we wake up. We've just watched the sunset. We've now got a nice little campfire burning. This place is fantastic, it's been amazing, and we've had such a great day today. Even though that we didn't get to go Ben Nevis today, we've still enjoyed it. The lads have had a fantastic time. The tent and the roof tent from WildTrax has been fantastic. Yesterday we've stood a massive test because last night was so bad, the weather was absolutely horrific. But we've had a huge day travelling around the west coast of Scotland. We've seen some fantastic sights. We'll post some pictures, and then tomorrow we're going to head back up towards Ben Nevis, and then for our final journey home on the next day, where we get back to Inverness to drop back off to WildTrax HQ. So here's from me, Sean Schofield at Base Outdoor. Thanks for watching, keep following us, and this is the boys. Say hello, boys. So keep watching us. We'll show you ourselves at Ben Nevis tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get in the arete at CDM, and we'll go from there. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye,